will take
Donald
this
Trump.
country and make it great again. I'm challenging
The
President
media
Obama,
isn't taking him
my son
seriously,
Donald,
and we're fed up.
He tarnishes everyone, irresponsible, divisive, hurtful. Does that hurt your feelings?
He can't build a wall, or he can't deport millions of immigrants.
Nobody thinks that that is realistic, but more importantly, that's
Let's not focus on minutia like policies or logistics or moral compasses, because no one should be held back from having big ideas just because they have baby hands.
For millions of people with baby hands, Donald Trump is the candidate that will turn can't into can.
That's what we need. We need somebody that can, but they'll do what
We're fed up with the mainstream media mocking people with baby hands, saying that we can't serve in the military just because our tiny fingers might not be able to pull the trigger.
Or that we can't pull on basketballs. Or that having tiny hands means I'm a needle dick.
Donald Trump is the candidate to show America that people with baby hands are valuable members of society, our government, and in our workplaces. Donald's slogan of making America great again resonates across the country for a reason, and we all feel his message, even with our teeny tiny baby hands. This message paid for by the Big Dreams Baby Hands Super PAC and is not paid for or endorsed by Donald Trump and or his teeny tiny little baby wavy hands.
And he referred to my hands. If they're small, something else must be small.